Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Howard, a pre-sales technical support engineer for PV Inverter Solution. Now we are in KSTAR PV Inverter Exhibition Hall, and today I'm going to introduce the PV Inverter products and solutions that KSTAR can provide for customers. I've been working in KSTAR company for almost 5 years. My main job is to provide suitable product selection and solution for customers according to their projects and demands. KSTAR was founded in 1993 and listed on the Shenzhen Stock Exchange in 2010 and has been focusing on the power electronic industry for 27 years. KSTAR is a company with more than 3,000 employees and wide range of products including data center based on UPS, precision air conditioner and battery, and also EV charger, energy storage system, and PV inverter. KSTAR PV inverter business started in 2009 and has been committed to providing high quality products and services to customers all over the world. There are many different types of PV inverter in this exhibition hall that can be used in different kinds of PV system. Now I'm going to take you to a center table model showing different kinds of PV system. Now here we are at a center table model showing different kinds of PV system, including residential rooftop PV system, commercial rooftop PV system, mountainous PV system, large-scale ground-mounted PV system, and water service PV system. KSTAR can provide inverter and solution for all these kinds of PV system. And this is a video showing KSTAR inverter reference in different kinds of PV system. Now we're going to see what kinds of PV inverter KSTAR can provide for different PV system. This is the 1 kilowatt to 3 kilowatt series single-phase string inverter for residential rooftop PV system. It has 1 MPPT input and a 4-line LCD. Its IP65 design is for outdoor installation. This Wi-Fi or GPS plug is optional for online cloud monitoring by smartphone app or PC website, and its smaller and lighter design is easy for installation, and it has the advantage of high quality, high reliability, high efficiency, and low cost. And this is the 3 kilowatt to 5 kilowatt single-phase string inverter, also for the residential rooftop PV system. It has 2 MPPT input and 1 4-line LCD, and it's also IP65 designed for outdoor installation. And this Wi-Fi or GPS plug is optional for online cloud monitoring by smartphone app or PC website, and its smaller and lighter design is easy for installation, and it has the advantage of high quality, high efficiency, high reliability, and low cost. And this is the 10 kilowatt to 20 kilowatt 3-phase string inverter for commercial rooftop PV system. It has 2 MPPT input and 4-line LCD. It's also IP65 designed for directly outdoor installation, and Wi-Fi and GPS plug is optional for online cloud monitoring by smartphone app or PC website, and it has the advantage of high reliability, high quality, high efficiency, and low cost. This is a 30 to 60 kilowatt 3-phase string inverter for commercial rooftop PV system. It's IP65 designed for outdoor installation, and it has a 4-line LCD. It has 3 MPPT inputs, and the DC positive fuse and string monitoring function are optional, and Wi-Fi or GPS plug is optional for online cloud monitoring by smartphone app or PC website. It has IP68 cooling fans for wet cooling, and it has the advantage of high reliability, high quality, high efficiency, and low cost. This is the smart PV array combiner box for central inverter for the large-scale ground-mounted PV system. And this is IP65 design for outdoor installation. It has 16 input and 1 output. It has both positive DC fuse and negative DC fuse, and also alarm for PV array and blowing fuse. And the communication is based on the RS-485 interface and Modbus protocol, and the anti-feedback diode is also optional, so it has the string current monitoring and the voltage monitoring. Now we are going to see the central inverter for large-scale ground-mounted PV system. This is the 1250 kilowatt central inverter for large-scale ground-mounted PV system, and its maximum PV input voltage is up to 1500 volts, and its max DC-AC ratio is up to 1.5, and it can operate at full power output under 55 centigrades, and it has a function of AGC, AVC, HVRT, LVRT, and FRT, and also net SVG. It has the advantage of high quality, high reliability, and high efficiency, so no cost and low fault rate. With more than 27 years of R&D experience in power electronic industry, KSTAR has whole solutions such as string inverters, central inverters, and container inverter solution, and inverter transformer station solution. And we can provide competitive price with high quality and good service. For more information, please visit our website www.kstar.com and contact with us. Thank you for your time.